How to message someone on LinkedIn without premium. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up LinkedIn on a device. Now tap on the search bar. Now type the person name you want to message. Now go to the person's profile. Now instead of tapping on message, simply tap on connect. Now go back. Now wait for the other person to accept your connection request. Now once the person accepts your request, simply go to My Network. Now tap on the invitations. Now simply tap on message. Now type your message and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.